Hi everyone, I'm very happy to speak with you today. I am Benson and my colleague is Grace.
We protect the nation, and today we are going to lecture you on marginal modal auxiliary verbs.
So, continuing from where Kate stopped yesterday.
Used to is also used to express an action covering a period of time in the past. Examples: when I was undergraduate student, I used to read tirelessly in the campus library. My father used to share out his dinner with us during his lifetime. I used to play football a lot when I was in primary school. It is used to express an habitual practice in the present time. Examples are: I am used to queuing up at the post office. I am used to keeping my surrounding clean. As a beginner, Beatrice is used to running round the field several times every morning.
And the last one, dare. Dare is used in negative sentences and in questions. Examples: Teresa dare insult our father. He dare not drink the beer. Dare he seize them now? Dare we disobey the seniors? Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share.